In today's video, let's do this crochet leaf. This is one of my designs. I'm not sure what to do with it. Maybe you have some ideas and you can leave some ideas in the comments. This is a 3-step process in order to make this happen, and it's really quite cool. I am using Bernat Handicrafter or Lily's Sugar and Cream with a size D 3mm crochet hook, which is less than the recommendation for this type of yarn, but because of the tightness that I want to make sure my hook is much smaller. So if you are substituting your yarn, you're going to want to do a much smaller size than what the yarn ball is suggesting. With this slip knot already on the hook, let's chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And I want you to slip stitch it to the 8th one back, which is one before the first one. So if you want to count back 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And it just leaves one chain at the end. And you're going to slip stitch and form the center circle of your leaf. Let's begin step number 2. Step number 2, just begin to chain 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now that I have my chain 15, I am going to turn this in a way that it goes around the outside of the center. And you are going to slip stitch exactly where this other one was slip stitched, right here. So just go right through and pull. And so you should have what appears to be 2 circles with the first circle inside the other circle, just like that. And so now we're going to go and do our final step, number 3. Number 3, chain 1 and focus on the outside ring first. And you are going to start off by putting in 1 single crochet around that chain 15. Now there's going to be 4 half double crochets in a row around that same one. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we're not bothering with the interior ring yet. Okay, we're just going to give it some more space. It's just resting around the ring so we can move it around if we have to. Now we're going to put 2 single crochets into that same one. So we have 1 and 2. And now we need to get a little bit bigger again, so another half double crochet. And now this is where the fun begins. I want you just kind of from the interior, pushing it from behind. And when it comes into the circle, make sure it doesn't have a twist. See how it has a kind of a twist? So you just turn it so it looks from this perspective that there's no twist in the center. So the next part of this, we're going to do a 2 together stitch. The first leg will be a double crochet around the outside of the ring, and the second leg will be a treble, which will then connect to the middle. So let's start first. So we're going to yarn over, going on to the outside of the ring, pull through 2 and hold. So that's one leg of the 2 together. And then the next one is going to be a treble, and it's going to go into the center of this ring and trap this outside ring at the same time. So wrap twice, going into the center of the ring, and it goes up over top of the outside ring at the same time. Yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through 2 and 2. So that trapped that ring into the center, and then pull through all 3. That's a 2 together stitch. The next 2 trebles are going to go into the exact same spot as that last leg of the treble. So going right into the center, and you're going to put 2 trebles. So we have 1 and 2. So first half of the leaf is now done. If you're running out of space, these are just floating, so you can just pull things around if you need more space, okay? So now we're gonna chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And around this treble, we're going to apply 7 stitches. The first 5 will each be a single crochet. So use the side post and single crochet 5 times. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're not done. Just shift it down, just pull it because it's just resting on the treble, and put in a half double crochet into the same one. And now we're going to do a 2 together double crochet using the outside main ring, so we're not doing anything with the interior ring any longer. And you're going to go, one leg is into this side of the treble and the other one is onto the outside of the ring. So yarning over, going around the post and pull through 2, and then the second half of the leg will be around the main exterior ring. And then pull through all 3 loops. Okay, so this makes that interior ring just rest in the middle. You're gonna do the next stitches. There's gonna be a total of 3 double crochet. So we have 1, and that's on the exterior ring, 2, and 3. We need to get smaller now, so it's going to be a half double crochet just 1 time. And then the last 3 stitches in that same ring are going to be a single crochet. So we have 1, 2, and 3. And then you're going to slip stitch it. See where this is coming out of? Just slip stitch it into there. And that chain 1 that is left over that we started at the very beginning is somewhat behind the leaf. Just loop into it and slip stitch into that to finish. And that will hold that back. And that will be your leaf shape, just as you know it. And so it's kind of fun. I'm not sure what to do with this particular design at this moment, but it's a really neat concept, and it's something that you may enjoy learning on your own. This is it for today. This is my leaf design.